Dividing whole numbers by unit fractions, item 94622. Lay needs pieces of ribbon that are each 1/3 of a foot long. Drag the correct equation to each type of ribbon to show how many 1/3 foot pieces Lay can make from each length. So here we have the total length of ribbon, 2 feet of blue ribbon and 5 feet of green ribbon. And she needs to do some math to figure out how many 1/3 foot pieces she can get from each length of ribbon. I'm not going to click math help in this video. The helps are the same as in item 4621, which I made a video for, and you can look at them within the program. Instead, I'm going to show you how to use tools. So let's click tools. Now it looks like the tool screen has covered up my problem, but it hasn't. It's actually all still below here. So beware of that. I didn't notice that at first. I'm going to use a number line because I think it makes sense with the story where Lay is making lengths of ribbon. That seems like a number line thing to me. So I click number line. First, let's make the line the right length. It says she has 2 feet of ribbon. So we're going to click the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 2 to show 2 feet of ribbon. There we go. 1, 2, or 0, 2. You notice there's no 1. Let's make there be a 1. We're going to label every single tick. And now there's a 1. Okay. But now we need to mark out the thirds. And the way you do that is with the scale. Right here it says scale. We're going to click in the box. Then we're going to click this thing that looks like a fraction. And I mouse over, you see it says fraction. And we're going to change the scale to 1/3. And press enter. Now we can see that we have 2 feet of ribbon, but it's cut by these lines at every third. So if you have 2 feet of ribbon and you cut it up into pieces that are 1/3 of a foot, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So to figure out how many 1/3 foot pieces she gets in 2 feet of blue ribbon, it's 2 split into 1/3 foot pieces. That gives her 6 pieces. What about 5 feet? Well, we can scroll back up to our tool. And if we just change the maximum to 5, let's enter. We don't have to do anything else besides figure out, well, how many pieces is that? And it's 0, 1, 2, skip a few, 13, 14, 15 pieces of ribbon. So we'd had 5 feet. We split it into 1/3 foot pieces, and that gives us 15 pieces. How many thirds fit in 5 holes? 15.